Hello guys, this is the second generation of smart gate lock. It's upgraded the fingerprint dual side, okay, but ttlock is dual side as well. As you can see from here, fingerprint outdoor, fingerprint indoor, and both sides is ttlock, outside by ttlock and indoor by the ttlock. Okay, we can unlock by the fingerprint from indoor. Okay, this is with the magnetic sensor. So here can be just put in here for lock. Okay, so we can use the mobile application for ttlock and lock from the. Okay, here is the indoor. Okay. From outdoor. Okay, outdoor.
Unlocked. Locked.
In before this side part. Okay, we can see from the installation from here. You can see in before it's just like this. So for the safety, now already added this one. Okay, for something like this. Okay, you can see it's more security. In before without this out shell, okay, it's like this. So somebody feedback this screws is not security. Maybe something. Some gate lock is stretched out, stretched in from the rear door lock. So this two screws is explode. So it's not so safety. So now factory already made this. Okay, you can see side part with screws. So we can like this. Okay, to make more security, and the outshore we are with the screws here. Okay, so will be more, can see like this. Okay, outdoor will be the same, and in old version you can see this the customer feedback is more complicated to add fingerprint, but the new version you can see a little different. The fingerprint here is by the ttlock, the indoor by ttlock. So the fingerprint can be added, go through your ttlock application. So the outdoor and the indoor both can go through the application to add the fingerprint, and so it's more easier, more simple to processing the device. Actually, this kind of upgrade is more easy to processing for our device, and the side part with the plastic outshore to make this side more security. So if you are interested kind of this device, please feel free to talk with me. Okay, thank you.